I hope you're all staying safe and well. I saw that a lot of people wanted me to film a food shopping haul, which is something that I do fairly regularly, but I haven't done one since we've been in lockdown. I've just been a little bit worried really because I don't want like negativity or anything. Basically when everything was really bad and there was nothing on the shelves in any of the shops, we were just getting bits that we could. Now there seems to be, like Ricky went today and he said everything was in there, pasta was in there, toilet roll, everything. So I feel like people have kind of calmed down a bit and they've got the system in place a bit better. So we definitely haven't stockpiled or anything, but because we're trying to go out as less as possible, we would usually do a food shop once a week and then go out in the week for extras, maybe like some more milk. We've bought more milk than we would buy in just one food shop. We've bought 2 loaves of bread, 1 to freeze, so that we don't have to go out. We do that kind of anyway actually, but yeah, before I show you this, it is more than we would normally get in 1 week, but I just wanted to kind of try and justify my reasons why, because the last thing I want you guys to think is that we're like stockpiling food, because we are definitely not. I just feel like the less we can go out, it's better for us and better for other people that could potentially catch it. So if we can just get a couple of extra things that aren't like the shelves aren't cleared of, things that we're not stopping other people or elderly people from getting, then I think that's fine. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to show you what we've got for our food shop in lockdown this week, or this next 10 days or 2 weeks, as long as we can make it last basically. So first of all, I'll just start off with the fruit. So for example, like we've got another pack of apples more than we would usually get, but usually one of my children is at school 5 days a week and the other one is at nursery 3 days a week. So yeah, we've got 2 lots of apples. They love the pink lady ones. We've also got seedless grapes because my youngest just eats through grapes in like a day. We've got some bananas, some strawberries, we've got some, oh, that's all we got for fruit pretty much. And then on to vegetables, we've got stir fry to make a beef stir fry with, and then we've got some peppers which are going to be for Mexican night, like quesadillas and stuff. Spinach for lunches, we've got potatoes, we've also got garlic, onions, just to make everything taste good really, that they just are the main ingredients. Cucumber, mainly for lunch. Oh, pineapples over here, that's not a vegetable, but yeah. We've got mange too, we've got Brussels, because we're going to have a roast tomorrow, today is Saturday, and baby plum tomatoes. We've got some avocado for lunch, we've got some spring onions for lunch, sweet potatoes again for lunch, we've got some lettuce, and also some peeled potatoes, which we usually don't get. People get very upset with me if I ever get like ready-made food like this, so I'm not sure why Ricky's got them, because he's got these potatoes, but obviously he's got a plan for those, so I don't know. And then, oh, up there we've got some frozen bird's eye microwavable vegetables too. And then if I go over here, I've kind of done like a little breakfast section. So we've got some Weetabix and we've got Rice Krispies. We've got Cocoa Pops already, so we didn't need to get those. We've got some juices. We never get these, but I love them. I know they're quite bad for your teeth, so we just never really get them. But they're good to have because they last for ages when they're not opened. So I thought that was a good idea anyway. Apple juice, orange and pineapple juice, and apple and mango. And then peanut butter, again, it's my boys' favourite. They just love it. Some eggs, which are great for breakfast, but also good for making cakes and stuff. Bacon, again, we never have time to have like bacon rolls and stuff in the mornings, but I'm sure we will have a few as a treat. And some garlic and chives. Is it garlic and chives? No, just chives. Philadelphia. Then over here, we have the treat section. Now, if you're a regular viewer of my food shopping hauls, this is a bigger treat section than normal, but I feel like, I don't know, let me know in the comments below, are you eating more rubbishy food at the moment and like allowing yourself a few treats to make you feel better? I don't know, we definitely are, so yeah, let me know down below in the comments. We've got a big pack of crisps. I'm assuming they're just all different flavours, 20 bags of those. And then we've got fruit winders, which are the boys' favourites, and also like these bear claw things they love as well. And I guess these are like raisins, but they're apple and mango, so I'm sure they will like those. And then they usually go to the sweet shop at least once a week after school, so there's just a little pick and mix bag there. some Revels, which are for Ricky. Well, I was going to say Ricky and I, but I don't really like Revels, so they're obviously Rick's. Some cookies, some Dairy Milk Caramel, which are definitely mine. Pringles, which are Ricky's favourite, so no surprise as to why he got those. We've got some chocolate chunks, which are going to be good again for doing a bit of baking. And Barney Bears. My boys love Barney Bears. And we've got 2 breads, one to have now and one to freeze, and some rolls as well, which will probably be for over the weekend. And then lunch stuff over here. We've got some Fridge Raiders chicken bites. We've got some bagels down there, which I'm going to have with cream cheese and smoked salmon, which is like a really nice treat for me. I'll show you the smoked salmon in a second, but I've got the bagels. And then some of these couscous. These are the Bachelor's ones, and they're my favourite. Although this is not my favourite flavour. I like the sun-dried tomato one, but possibly was not available. So yeah, we really like to have these couscouses. Pepperamis. Don't know why my child loves these so much, but he does. Archie loves pepperamis. And then some ham, some cheese strings, some yogurts. These are for Ricky, and probably the boys will eat them as well. And then some chicken and chorizo soup. I've actually been loving the tin soup that we've been having. I've been having carrot and coriander or tomato, and they've just been so nice. But we usually get these fresh ones, but I'm happy to have the tins really. This is a chicken and chorizo one anyway. And then we've got tuna and sweet corn, like sandwich filling, that's the word, and chicken and bacon. We've got some more kitchen foil, which we needed, some cheddar cheese, which is for dinners, lunches, loads of things. And then over here, there's some cleaning stuff. So we've got some window wipes. We've got toothpaste for us and for the boys. We've got Dettol, my famous Dettol. That's how much I've used just cleaning the food shopping. Unbelievable. And then this is basically Asda's version of it. And then we've got the Dettol spray. This is really good for spraying all the door handles and just stuff you can spray bedding with it and everything. Bleach. We've got nappy bags, which are no longer for Elliot. They're actually, like, we use them as dog poop bags for when we go on walks. Dog food, Dettol floor wipes, bin liners, and then my face pads as well. And then we have got juice for us. No, wait, juice for us and juice for the boys. The boys have got summer fruits and lemon and lime, and we have just got some ciders. They're so nice, these Copperbergs. These are elderflower and lime ones, and my favourite ones are the passion fruit ones. We're not really big drinkers when we're just at home, so we've literally just got 4, 2 each, and we'll probably have them tonight, Saturday night and Sunday night, and that'll be it really. For some reason the milk is still on the floor. I have cleaned them, but they're on the floor. But so we've got 2 what are they, 6, 4, 2, we've got 2 6-pinters, and that will get us through the week. We obviously like to have a lot of milk. And then over here, like I said, I usually lay things out in like dinners, so you can see exactly what dinners we're having, but I wasn't 100% sure what Ricky went for. So anyway, he's told me that he's got, we're gonna do, like I said, we're gonna do a Mexican night. So we've got what is this? A quesadilla kit. I love quesadillas, we all do. The chicken for it, the dips for it, and then obviously the vegetables and stuff that will go in it. Although, oh yeah, I was gonna say I haven't seen wraps, but they're in this box. We've got chicken, which is like a cook in the bag one, roast in the bag, extra tasty for a roast dinner tomorrow, with some Yorkshire puddings, potatoes, veg, you know the drill, gravy. Then we've got some more chicken, which I think we're going to do maybe a curry or something. We've got a pie, which again was just easy to have as a almost like a ready meal, I guess. And then we've got the beef. Oh yeah, we're going to do a stir fry, so we've got that. And then the boys like to have a takeaway night one night a week, so we're going to do a pizza night, a fake away. So we've got 2 pizzas. We've also got some chicken, which are just, again, really handy. If we want to avoid going to the shops for an extra day, we'll just like get these out of the freezer, put them with whatever veg we've got left and probably rice, and we've made a dinner. So that's definitely helped us a lot over the last couple of weeks to do things like that. And then we've got this chicken here. Ricky said he wants to cook it all up, batch cook it for lunches and stuff for him, well, for all of us really, for the week, just to be a bit more healthy. My smoked salmon, which is very extravagant, gin, juniper and lemon smoked salmon. Oh my goodness. Is it Christmas? No, it's definitely not. I've got some steam bag cauliflower rice, which is probably a good thing to have because it's healthier than normal rice. But then we have 4 packs of microwavable rice. This is chicken fried rice, so it'd be good for the stir fry, and then normal rice. Then we have self-raising flour, because basically if we have flour, eggs, stuff like that, we know we can always just make stuff, so many things. And then we needed some olive oil, so we got that, some ketchup. And then yeah, I think that is pretty much everything. So I hope this was interesting to see what we got this week. It's just, like I said, absolutely crazy at the moment. I hope you're all okay, doing well. Let me know the kind of things that you are making. Maybe you could give some dinner ideas in the comments below, or just a dinner idea, and then people could have a look down there if they're kind of struggling at the moment. Hopefully in the following weeks I can be a little bit more creative again and come up with some more meal ideas and stuff. At the moment, struggling a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, we're lucky we have food, basically. It doesn't go over my head how lucky we are to be able to go and get this food and then come back and be safe. I hope with all my heart that most of you guys can be doing the same, and if you can't and you are out there working, you're a key worker, you're caring for somebody, you're doing a really important job in the community, then please know just how grateful we are. We really appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you again in another video very soon. Bye guys!